Mr. Cortex here, and I know you earn well. So tell me, why does your bank account still feel empty? In this video, you'll understand why people stay broke even with a good salary, and these hidden habits silently destroying your money. Now let me show you something. Meet Cody. Cody earns $80,000 per month. Not bad, right? But there's one moment that changed everything. It's the 28th of the month. Cody opens his banking app, and he sees that his account balance is just $18.42. His salary is coming in 2 days. And somehow he's already broke once again. He sits there staring at the screen, confused, frustrated, almost angry, because in his mind, he's doing everything right. He works hard, he earns decent, he's not careless. So why does nothing ever stay? Here are the traps which Cody was ignoring. Trap 1, the invisible leak. Let's rewind where Cody used to spend his money without even thinking. Morning coffee, $1.80. Food delivery, $3.50. Subscriptions, $7.99. Weekend outings, $2,000. Nothing feels big. But here's the truth. Cody isn't losing money in chunks. He's leaking it slowly. And leaks are dangerous, because you don't notice them until it's too late. Here comes another trap. Trap 2, the reward system. Every time Cody spends, his brain rewards him. A small hit of dopamine, a feeling of control, a feeling of success. He feels, I deserve this. And slowly, spending becomes emotional, not logical. Trap 3, the upgrade trap. Then comes the worst part. His salary increases. He gets a promotion. $80,000 becomes $100,000. But something strange happens. His lifestyle upgrades too. Better phone, better restaurants, better everything. And suddenly, he's still broke, just at a higher level. Another trap. Trap 4, the comparison poison. Late at night, he scrolls social media, friends traveling, buying cars, living the so-called perfect lives. And without realizing, he feels behind. So he spends more, not to improve his life, but to protect his ego. But then comes a moment in Cody's life, the breaking point of his life. One night, he was on a dinner with his friends, and he was the one to pay for the dinner. But during the payment, his card declines in public, in front of his friends. That moment hits harder than anything, not because of money, but because of reality. That night, he realizes something. He doesn't blame his salary. He doesn't blame inflation. For the first time, he blames his decisions, and that changes everything. Next day, he checks every expense, every penny. It's uncomfortable, painful even, because now he can see the truth. The truth was, money wasn't disappearing. He himself was giving it away. He finally understood that. From then onwards, he cancels the unnecessary subscriptions, stops unnecessary orders, cuts fake lifestyle, and most importantly, he pauses before every purchase. Now, before spending, he asked himself, is this improving my life or just feeding my emotions? And then 3 months later, same salary, but a completely different life. Savings growing, stress gone, control back. Because the truth is, people don't stay broke because they earn less. They stay broke because they never fix how they think. So next time you say, I need more money, just take a pause and ask yourself, do I really need more income or better control over my behavior? I hope you all are just like Cody, but all you need is a transformation like Cody. So start transforming your life today, because there is no better day than today. And if you want to control your mind before it controls your money, subscribe to Brain Over Money.